Hi, beautiful people. You're live with VMJ celebration. Let's see. Today, what's up? It's a buy 0.30. It's a buy 0.30. It went all up. Check that out. It's a 5-minute chart. It's a 15-minute chart, of course. It's a live account. I took this trade on Thursday. I think time was around 1600. So now this was on the 10th of June, 1600. So now I took all these buys around 0.30, 0.50, 0.85. But what is more important from this video that I want you to highlight is the fact that patience and discipline is key. So I took this trade on Thursday. I'm now closing this trade today. So today is the 14th of June, on a Monday. What day did I said it's Tuesday? They said what time? I said it's 12:06 in the morning a.m.s. Tuesday, 15 June 2021. They said what pair are you trading? I said GBPJPY, of course. I said the GBPJPY, of course. Check this out, 0.25, 0.25. Check the entry. GBPJPY, check the entry. Check the entry. Check the entries. Market matter. Let's look at the money. Let's see. Accuracy. No loss. Accurate system. No loss. The $35 are 0.01. They're still coming very nice and clean. Up until here. $11,000. The buy trend, it has already started to lose its power to continue buying. It is now exhausted, to put it simply. But now check the entry. Check the entry. It's a GBPJPY. On a Tuesday morning. You rest. 2021, we are working, we are fighting for our pockets. You are alive.